Welcome to your daily magnificent mindset teaching. The next several magnificent mindset teachings will be based upon teachings pulled from the Success Through Positive Mental Attitude by Napoleon Hill. Of course, I'll insert other teachings and my own thoughts, but I thought this would be a really good book to focus on for several days. And these are foundational in shifting anyone who is willing to have a more positive mental attitude to create more positivity, more success through vibration, through the laws of mind action, and to realize a new way of being, doing, and having. The starting point of all achievement, according to Napoleon Hill, and I would have to agree with this, is definiteness of purpose. It's a mouthful. With a positive mental attitude on top of it. So, definiteness of purpose is like the cupcake, and positive mental attitude is this beautiful frosting on top. Napoleon Hill uses positive mental attitude in his teaching so frequently that he simply calls it PMA. Definiteness of purpose may seem overwhelming to some of you at first. I often hear things like, I don't know what I want, or I can't see it, but you can. When you say things like when you don't know, like, I don't have it, I can't see it, etc., what's happening is you are either afraid of what you want, or you're afraid to go there because you might get disappointed. You might be disappointed. So I want you to move fear out of this. I want you to let go of needing it all to be the way you want it to be, because that is not a recipe for success. That's more like negative mental attitude. It has to be my way. And then you start to see everyone doing things wrong and the world doing wrong. It's really bad. So no negative mental attitude. We are in positive mental attitude. Today, I want you to ponder this. You've seen people living in an aimless manner, lost in a depressive state, numbing out, dissatisfied, and struggling against many, many things. Sadly, people are like this everywhere. Right now, can you just ponder and state what it is you want out of life? It might be challenging to do so. It might not arrive to you in this moment. And you might need to make some difficult, perhaps even painful decisions when you get there, but it will be worth it. All of it will be worth it. What do you want out of life? See, through the mental laws, once you decide on your purpose or a goal, you have aim. And you can take this to the micro or the macro level. If you're not ready to go for the big purpose, start with today. What do you want for today? Then you have aim. I really want you to think about what you want out of life. What is your definiteness of purpose? I don't care how young or how old you are, because once you decide, you have aim in that direction, and energy begins to flow in that direction. Your senses light up to what is possible, and the universe begins to take shape. Here are 4 advantages of working with definiteness of purpose. Number 1, your subconscious begins to work under mental law. What the mind of a person can believe, the mind of a person can achieve. Number 2, because you know what you want, there is a natural tendency to steer yourself on that track, to acknowledge your next action rather than to avoid actions, because you know deeply what you want. Number 3, enthusiasm sets in. There's an energetic shift and then an energetic direction that is exciting, and you begin to plan or study, reach, and even leap. And number 4, you become alerted to opportunities that propel you towards your purpose. Without knowing or having this definiteness of purpose, you won't see those opportunities, but they are there. Opportunity always is. but you'll be blind to them just as you have been blind to some of them. Once you decide on a purpose and you have aim and there's energetic direction, there's enthusiasm, there's creation in that direction, you will start to see opportunities. Take a breath. And today, I want you to think about your definiteness of purpose. It might change, and that's okay. And it might end up looking different when it is fully manifested, and that's okay. But I guarantee this, even by thinking about it, something changes in you and you expand. By ignoring it, you constrict, and that is no way to live life. So before you go with your day, take a moment, decide for the kind of day you truly desire. Decide on what is your purpose today. And remember a mantra. Please connect me with spirit, with universal mind, and feed me a direct line with the highest and brightest thoughts, feelings for the highest and brightest solution. Thank you for being here and see you next time. Namaste.